In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram carousel post with Canva. This is a fantastic way to engage your audience with a series of images or messages that they can swipe through right on your Instagram feed. So let's dive into the process and make your Instagram post stand out. First, to get started, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. Once you're on Canva, you'll see a search bar right at the top of the page. Type Instagram carousel into that search bar and hit enter. This is going to bring up a plethora of template options for you to choose from, specifically designed for Instagram carousels. These templates are great because they are already formatted to the correct size and dimensions that Instagram requires, so you don't have to worry about resizing your images or getting the dimensions wrong. Now, once you've typed in Instagram carousel, you'll want to take a moment to browse through the various template options that Canva offers. You'll see a wide range of styles and designs, so look for something that aligns with your aesthetic or the message you want to convey. When you find one that catches your eye, go ahead and select it. The beauty of using a template is that it gives you a great starting point and you can personalize it to make it your own. After you've selected a template, you'll notice an option that says customize this template. Click on that option and this action will open up the template in Canva's editor. This is where the magic happens. The editor is incredibly user-friendly. With all the tools you need right at your fingertips, you'll see options for text, images, and graphic elements. Now, let's focus on editing the template text. This is where you can inject your personality and the message you want to share with your audience. Click on any text box in the template and you can type whatever you'd like. Whether it's a catchy headline, a call to action, or informative text, this is your space to communicate directly with your audience. Canva also offers a range of font styles and sizes, so experiment until you find something that suits your style. In addition to text, you can upload your own images or choose from Canva's extensive stock photo library. Simply drag and drop these elements into your design. Remember, each element in your carousel should work together to tell a cohesive story or present your information clearly. Keep an eye on the overall flow and balance of your design. Once you feel satisfied with how your carousel looks, it's time to download it. Canva allows you to download your final design in a format that's ready to be uploaded to Instagram. Just ensure that you select the correct format and quality settings for a seamless upload experience. And there you have it, a stunning Instagram carousel post created with Canva. With this tool, you have the power to craft visually appealing content that will captivate your audience and enhance your social media presence. Happy designing!